Do you want to block adult websites on your iPhone? It's very simple to do. So go ahead to your settings. You want to scroll down until you see screen time. And from screen time, go ahead and scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and toggle this on if it is not. Go ahead and enter your passcode if it makes you enter one. And go ahead to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. From here, you want to go down to Web Content. And as you see, mine is limited adult websites. If you wanted to just have everything free and clear, you would hit unrestricted, but we want to block websites. So go ahead and go back to limit adult websites. This will do a lot for you, but you can actually go in and specifically put websites in to block them. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add a website. And we're just going to go ahead and type in a website here. And from that point forward, that website will be permanently blocked. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to block adult websites on